Welcome to the world of stone art, where creativity meets nature. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting journey of transforming raw stones into stunning pieces of art that can elevate your business. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, stone art offers endless possibilities for creating unique and eye-catching pieces that resonate with customers. From intricate sculptures to functional garden decor, the versatility of stone allows you to craft one-of-a-kind items that can beautify any space. We'll cover essential techniques, tools, and materials you'll need, as well as tips on how to market your creations effectively. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of making stone art that not only showcases your artistic talent but also serves as a profitable venture. Let's get started on turning your passion for stone art into a thriving business. Creating stone art for a business involves several steps, from conceptualizing your designs to marketing your finished products. Here's a guide to help you get started. 1. Research and inspiration. Explore styles. Investigate different styles of stone art, such as sculptures, painted stones, mosaics, or functional art, e.g., garden decor, coasters. Gather ideas. Look for inspiration online in art galleries or nature. Create a mood board to visualize your ideas. 2. Select your materials. Choose stones. Use various types of stones such as river rocks, slate, marble, or granite. Each type has unique characteristics and finishes. Tools and supplies. Gather tools like chisels, hammers, sanders, paints, sealers, and adhesives depending on your chosen techniques. 3. Design your art. Sketch ideas. Create sketches of your designs. Consider the size, shape, and type of stone you'll use. Plan for functionality. If your art will serve a purpose, like garden decor, ensure it's durable and weather-resistant. 4. Create your artwork. Carving. If you plan to carve, outline your design on the stone and carefully chip away at it using chisels and hammers. Painting. Clean the stone surface and then paint your design using outdoor-quality paint. Seal the artwork afterward to protect it from the elements. Mosaics. If creating a mosaic, cut stones into smaller pieces and arrange them on a base. Use adhesive to secure them and finish with grout. 5. Finish and seal. Sanding. Smooth the edges and surfaces of your stone art for a polished look. Sealing. Apply a sealant appropriate for the type of stone and the environment it will be placed in. This enhances durability and protects against weathering. 6. Pricing your art. Cost analysis. Calculate the costs of materials, tools, and your time to determine a fair price for your artwork. Market research. Check competitors' pricing to ensure your prices are competitive yet profitable. 7. Marketing your stone art. Online presence. Create a website or use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your art. Local markets. Participate in craft fairs, local markets, and art shows to reach potential customers directly. Collaborate. Consider collaborating with local businesses or galleries to display and sell your work. 8. Customer engagement. Custom orders. Offer personalized stone art or custom designs to attract more customers. Feedback. Encourage customer feedback and use it to improve your products and services. 9. Continuously improve. Learn new techniques. Stay updated with new trends and techniques in stone art to keep your offerings fresh and appealing. Network. Join art communities or groups for support, inspiration, and collaboration opportunities. Starting a stone art business requires creativity, skill, and a good understanding of your market. By following these steps and continuously honing your craft, you can create beautiful stone art that resonates with customers and stands out in the market. How do I determine the best type of stone for outdoor art? Determining the best type of stone for outdoor art involves considering several factors, including durability, aesthetics, and environmental conditions. Here's a guide to help you choose the right stone. 1. Durability and weather resistance. Granite. Extremely durable and weather resistant, making it ideal for outdoor sculptures and installations. Slate. Known for its durability and resistance to the elements, it also has a unique texture and color variation. Limestone. Softer than granite but still suitable for outdoor use. It weathers beautifully but may require sealing. Sandstone. Offers a rustic appearance and is relatively durable. However, it can be more susceptible to erosion over time. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Color and texture. Consider the stone's color and texture to ensure it complements the surrounding environment. For example, lighter stones may blend well in lush gardens, while darker stones can stand out. Grain and pattern. Look for unique grains or patterns that can add visual interest and enhance your design. 3. Weight and size. Manageability. Consider the size and weight of the stone. Larger stones may require special equipment for transportation and installation, while smaller stones are easier to work with. Stability. Ensure the stone is stable enough for its intended purpose, especially for larger sculptures or garden features. 4. Maintenance requirements. Sealing. Some stones, like limestone and sandstone, may require sealing to protect against moisture and staining. Cleaning. Consider how easy it is to clean the stone. Some types may attract dirt or algae, necessitating regular maintenance. 5. Environmental conditions. Climate. Assess the local climate. For example, stones that can withstand freeze-thaw cycles are crucial in colder climates. Moisture levels. If the area is prone to high moisture or humidity, choose stones resistant to water damage. 6. Cost and availability. Budget. Determine your budget for materials. Some stones can be more expensive than others, depending on their rarity and sourcing. Local availability. Check local suppliers for availability. Using locally sourced stone can reduce costs and support local businesses. 7. Test and experiment. Sample pieces. Obtain small samples of different stone types to test their appearance and workability. Prototype. Create a small prototype piece to see how the stone holds up outdoors over time. Conclusion. By considering these factors, you can select the best type of stone for your outdoor art projects. Be sure to balance aesthetics with practicality and choose a stone that aligns with your artistic vision and environmental considerations. What are some specific examples of stones that withstand freeze-thaw cycles? Here are some specific types of stones that are known for their ability to withstand freeze-thaw cycles, making them suitable for outdoor art and landscaping in colder climates. 1. Granite. Characteristics. Extremely hard and dense, granite is highly resistant to weathering and water absorption. Advantages. Its toughness makes it ideal for outdoor sculptures and installations that need to endure harsh winter conditions. 2. Basalt. Characteristics. A volcanic rock that is dense and has low porosity. Advantages. Basalt's strength and durability make it an excellent choice for outdoor applications, especially in freeze-thaw environments. 3. Slate. Characteristics. A fine-grained metamorphic rock that is resistant to water absorption. Advantages. Slate can withstand freeze-thaw cycles well and is often used for outdoor tiles and sculptures. 4. Quartzite. Characteristics. A hard, metamorphic rock formed from sandstone, known for its durability and resistance to weathering. Advantages. Quartzite is very resilient and can handle temperature fluctuations effectively. 5. Limestone, certain types. Characteristics. While generally softer, some denser varieties of limestone can withstand harsher climates. Advantages. Dense limestone can be treated or sealed to enhance its freeze-thaw resistance. 6. Sandstone, certain types. Characteristics. Like limestone, sandstone varies in density. Some varieties are more resistant to weathering. Advantages. Dense sandstone can be used effectively in colder climates, especially when sealed properly. 7. Fieldstone. Characteristics. Natural stones collected from fields, typically used for construction and landscaping. Advantages. Fieldstone's natural durability and low porosity make it suitable for outdoor use, even in freezing conditions. Tips for selection. Testing. If possible, test the stone's porosity and freeze-thaw resistance in a controlled environment before committing to larger projects. Sealants. Consider applying sealants to porous stones to enhance their resistance to moisture and freezing. Choosing the right stone can help ensure that your outdoor art withstands the rigors of changing temperatures and weather conditions. What are some common mistakes to avoid when selling stone art? When selling stone art, avoiding common pitfalls can help you establish a successful business. Here are some key mistakes to watch out for. 1. Neglecting quality control. Mistake. Skipping thorough checks for defects or imperfections. Solution. Always inspect your pieces closely before selling to ensure they meet your quality standards. 2. Underpricing or overpricing. Mistake. Setting prices too low or too high without proper market analysis. Solution. Research similar products, consider your costs, and price your items fairly to reflect their value. 3. Ignoring target audience. Mistake. Failing to identify and understand your target market. Solution. Conduct market research to determine who your ideal customers are and what they are looking for in stone art. 4. Lack of online presence. Mistake. Not utilizing online platforms for marketing and sales. Solution. Create a website and use social media to showcase your work, connect with customers and drive sales. 5. Poor photography. Mistake: using low-quality images that don't do justice to your art. Solution: invest time in taking high-quality photos that highlight the details and beauty of your pieces. 6. Not engaging with customers. Mistake: overlooking the importance of customer interaction and feedback. Solution: respond to inquiries, engage on social media, and encourage customer reviews to build relationships and trust. 7. Neglecting marketing strategies. Mistake: failing to promote your work effectively. Solution: develop a marketing plan that includes social media, email newsletters, and participation in local art fairs or markets. 8. Inconsistent branding. Mistake: lacking a cohesive brand identity across platforms. Solution: create a consistent brand image, including logos, color schemes, and messaging, to help customers recognize your work. 9. Ignoring seasonal trends. Mistake: not adapting your offerings to seasonal trends or holidays. Solution: create themed pieces or promotions for holidays and seasons to attract more customers. 10. Failing to build an inventory. Mistake: not having enough stock or a variety of pieces available. Solution: maintain a diverse inventory to cater to different tastes and preferences, ensuring you have options for potential buyers. Conclusion: by being aware of these common mistakes and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you can enhance your chances of success in selling stone art. Focus on quality, customer engagement, and effective marketing to build a thriving business. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey into the world of stone art. I hope you've gained valuable insights and inspiration to help you transform raw stones into beautiful, marketable pieces. Remember, the key to success in this business lies in your passion, creativity, and willingness to experiment. As you start crafting your stone art, don't forget to engage with your audience and share your creations on social media. Building a community around your work can lead to valuable feedback and potential customers. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on turning your artistic dreams into a thriving business. Your journey in stone art is just beginning, so keep creating, keep innovating, and let your unique vision shine. Until next time, happy crafting.